दोस्तों, आज हम फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स करेंगे। इस तरह के क्वेश्चन प्रायः कई एग्जाम्स में, पिछले कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में हमने देखा है, पूछा गया है, इसलिए आज हम इसे करते हैं। इन द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस sentences are given with blanks to be filled in with an appropriate words. Number 1, he wore multiple bracelets on every, each, either, neither, each hand. each because each का यूज़ हम 2 और मोर देन 2 के लिए करते हैं, लेकिन every का प्रयोग हम 3 और मोर देन 3 के लिए करते हैं, इसलिए each will be more suitable. He wore multiple bracelets on each hand. So the right answer will be each. Now question number 2, the smoke went by, in, up, on. Right answer up. So the smoke went up the chimney. Next is, in the test we will dash your work and then give you detailed feedback. So the word to be filled in there should be assess, judge, measure, check. So assess will be the right choice. So the right answer will be, in the test we will assess your work and then give you detailed feedback. Next is, a computer is hard to repair as there may be hundreds of different parts, objects, components, materials. So the right choice will be components. A computer is hard to repair as there may be hundreds of different components. Next is, water is made up of 2 dash section, aspects, solutions, elements. So right choice will be elements. Water is made up of 2 elements, namely oxygen and hydrogen. The next question is, although he had no dash injuries, doctors found that he was suffering from internal bleeding. So the right choice will be external. External will be the right choice. Yes. Although he had no external injuries, doctors found that he was suffering from internal bleeding. Next is, a speed limit is the dash legal speed that you can travel on the road. The right choice should be maximum. So a speed limit is the maximum legal speed that you can travel on the road. Next is question number 8. I would really dash if you could help me out. To appreciate this. Appreciate will be the right choice. I would really appreciate if you could help me out. The next question, question number 9. What was the main dash behind London bombings? So the options are aim, motive, objective, purpose. The right choice will be motive. Motive. So what was the main motive behind London bombings? Next question number 10. Health dash levels have adorned cigarette packages since 1966 in USA. So the options are information, note, message, warning. So the right choice will be warning. health warning labels have adorned cigarette packages since 1966 in USA. The next question, question number 11. A system is dash if it is easy for citizens to access and understand. The options are transparent, lucid, clear, translucent. So the right choice should be A, transparent. A system is transparent if it is easy for citizens to access and understand. Next question, question number 12. The president's speech was so dash that many people were persuaded to accept the need for change. The answer options are expressive, articulate, eloquent, calm. So the right choice will be eloquent. The president's speech was so eloquent that many people were persuaded to accept the need for change. Next, question number 13. The powers of the party are dash in several places in the Constitution. Options are numbered, named, enumerated, counted. So the right choice will be enumerated. The powers of the party are enumerated in several places in the Constitution. Next question, question number 14. Please dash 2 color passport photographs to the application form. Options are fix, link, hookup, attach. So right choice will be attach. Please attach 2 color passport photographs to the application form. And next is question number 15. If everything goes according to dash, work will be complete in December. Options are timing, time, schedule, lineup. So the right choice will be schedule. So if everything goes according to schedule, work will be complete in December. So this much in this video, दोस्तों. If you like this video, please subscribe it so that you can keep on getting different other videos, important videos, useful videos. So thank you very much in this video. Thank you.